What are the penalties for not filing a gift tax return, Form 709, on time? Have you ever wondered what happens if you miss the deadline for filing a gift tax return? Understanding the penalties for not filing Form 709 on time is essential, especially when planning for retirement. Let's break down what you need to know about this important aspect of retirement estate planning. First, let's clarify what a gift tax return is. This form is required when you give gifts that exceed the annual exclusion amount, which has been around $15,000 to $18,000 per recipient in recent years. Even if you do not owe any tax, you still need to file Form 709 for gifts over that limit. Now, what happens if you do not file this form on time? There are penalties that can add up quickly. If your return is late, you may face a late filing penalty. This penalty is 5% of the tax that is not paid for each month or part of a month that the return is late. The maximum penalty can reach 25%. In addition to the late filing penalty, if you do not pay any tax due by the original due date, you will owe interest on that unpaid amount. There is also a late payment penalty of 0.5% of the unpaid tax for each month or part of a month that it remains unpaid, which can also reach a maximum of 25%. When you are planning for retirement, managing your gifts wisely is key to avoiding these penalties. Make sure to file Form 709 on time, even if you do not owe any tax. Consider strategies like splitting gifts with your spouse or using the annual exclusion effectively to minimize any tax liabilities. If you are unsure about your filing requirements or potential penalties, seeking advice from a tax professional can be very helpful. They can guide you through the process and ensure that you comply with all regulations, helping you avoid unnecessary costs. By keeping these rules in mind and planning ahead, you can manage your gift tax obligations effectively during your retirement years. Remember, timely filing is essential to avoid penalties and keep your retirement planning on track.